Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to teach you how to make fake video call. Yep. Fake video call. So practically you can do this on Google Hangouts, you can try it on Facebook. I've never tried it on WhatsApp. I don't think that's possible, but I'll give it a try and update you in other subsequent videos. So to do this fake video call, mostly guys use it to prank their friends, or other use it for seminar as well. So to do it, so far we are going to do it, we're doing it on Google Hangouts. You will need a Gmail, a Google Mail account. So once you have that, you can head on to do that. So this is my Google account right here, and I'll be setting it up. But you need an app, a software called Manicam. I have that launch there too. So this is Manicam. This is how the interface looks. So you can go ahead and download Manicam. Then you add the video to Manicam. But before we do that, we have to set our Google Hangouts camera, the primary camera that it will be using. We need to change it to that of Manicam. So how do you do that? Once you have this interface, I've not tried it on phone before, so I'm using my laptop to record this, as you can see. So I can only guarantee you that you have the same result I'm going to get at the end of the result if you are using your laptop system. So click on this video button right there and wait for it to come up. So you can see my video. That's horrible. So you just click on settings, then you head on to this integrated webcam area. You click on it and choose Manicam virtual webcam. Okay, so you click on done. So practically what this enable you to do is, next time you're trying to make a call on Hangout, it doesn't use your webcam or your camera any longer. So it uses the virtual camera for the Manicam. So that way you can load video into Manicam. Then whenever Hangout access your camera, which is now the Manicam, then you can just play the video and that will work. Okay, so now we are done with this interface. We can close it. Okay, so let's load a video into our Manicam. So here in the Manicam, you click on this plus icon, click on media files. I already have a video that I like to use. So the video is video for Barack Obama. So I just load the video in by double clicking on it. But I won't be playing the full length of the video, so I have to pause it. I have to take it to where I want. Okay, let's take it here and I'll pause it and put a copy to someone before I play that. Okay, so let me call this my friend right here. Okay, let's put the call through. So as you can see, instead for the camera to be showing me, the camera is showing the Obama in the background. So I'm waiting for my friend to pick up. I'm waiting for my friend to pick up. Maybe it's not with his phone. Okay, so practically when it picks up, I just play the video and it starts playing. So let's try that again. Let's try it again and see what's up.
Freebeats.io.
Okay, so far we are not getting the desired results. But for instance, let's assume it picks up. The next thing to do is head over to the Mannequin app and click on play. Then start playing. You can see that the video is playing already. So what my friend, just click it and accept the call. Do what I see Obama talking. So it might be pranked and think it's Obama talking to him. Meanwhile, it's not Obama. It's not Obama. Now, get this straight. Many people use this method to scam others. So when you see something like this kind of video that's talking, giving a generic speech that's not directed to you, just know that it is fake. Yeah, and put it out, it is fake. So that's how you do fake video call on Google Hangouts. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime my video comes up on YouTube. And if you have a question, try to drop it in the link below.